Hey friends, if you wish to create a full battery charge notification on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. I've given a script for you in the description section of the video. Copy the script, search for Notepad in the Windows search bar, open Notepad, uh, delete all the tabs. Okay, delete each and every tab and then close it and then open it once again so that we have a clean one. Paste this here, click on File, select or save, okay, and then change this one to all files. Give this one a name. Let's say full battery, and then type dot vbs. It should be any name dot vbs, and then click on save to that location. Now this will be saved as a file here. Double click on it to run the script and the full battery notification will be created on your system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.